I'm going to explain about I'm going to explain you are some important programs in strings. In last class, I explained about string built-in functions in C programming. Okay, string concatenation function, string copy function, string length function, and string reverse function, and string concatenation function. Okay, string comparison function. Their strings have been discussed in the previous class. In today, I am going to implement or I am going to write two programs without string built-in functions. Yesterday we have seen how the one string can be copied into the another string and how do you joining of two strings using the string concatenation function. That is one string can be appended at the end of the another string. Okay, we have seen in the previous class. But here, program to copy one string into the another string, and the second program to joining of or joining two strings into the third string. Here, constraint is without built-in functions or without using built-in functions, because you don't use string copy function, you don't use string concatenation function. Without using those two functions, how do you write these two programs in C programming? Okay, everybody knows how do you copy one string to another string using the string copy function, and how do you append one string at the end of the another string using the string concatenation function. But here I don't want to use any string built-in functions, but I can able to solve these two problems. Okay, then see clearly. First problem is how one string can be wide main, then I want to initialize two strings, character, then s1, then welcome, then char2, s2, then char s3, suppose 20 or 30. The string s1 and s2, two strings have been initialized. The string 3 has been declared only. It is not initialized with any value. Okay. Then look at here. I want to write the first of all I have program to copy one string to another string. How it is possible without using string copy function? Just look at here. The for loop, then int I equal to 0, s1 I want to copy from s1 into the s3. S3 is empty string. I want to copy from all the content in S1 can be copied into the S3 without using what? A string copy, what is strcpy, and string concatenation function. Without using these two functions, I can able to solve the problem. S1 of I not equal null, because you know that at the end of the string null character will be placed. When null character as encountered, there are no more characters in this string. Then I place place. Then here, what is S3 of, listen carefully, I equal to, which string do you want to copy? Suppose I want to copy the S1 of I. Okay, here W, yeah, I will write it here. W, then E, L, C, O, M, E. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at here. Then here I value become 0 initially. S1 of I, S1 of 0. What is S1 of 0? W is there. Okay, it is not visible, I think. Just wait a second. I will write it there. Yeah. Here. Suppose it is S1. S1 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then S3 is empty string. Okay, 30 characters. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. 8. This is on S1, this is S3. S3 of what is called 0. S3 of 0 equal S1 of 0. S1 of 0. What is the string, what is the character will be there in the S1 of 0? W will be placed here. Then again, I is incremented by 1. I value becomes 1. S1 of 1. S1 of 1 is what is the E. It is not equal null. Then condition is true. Then S1 of 1 now. Then S3 of 1 equal to S1 of 1. What is S1 of E? E will be placed here. Then I is incremented by 1. I value becomes 2. S1 of 2. What is the value? Is S1 of 2. L will be there. It is not equal to null. Then condition is true. Then 2. Then 2, what is character is that 2, L will be placed here. Then I value is incremented by I value 3. Then S1 of 3, C, it is not null character. Again, it will be copied here. 3. S1 of 3, C will be copied here. S1, S3 of 3. Then I value is incremented by I value 4. What is there? 0. It is not equal null. 0 is different, null character is different. Okay. Then it is null actually. Okay. Last null character. Then S1 of 4. What is value? What is the character in S1 of 4? O. O will be placed here. Sorry to say. O. Then what is called? I value is incremented by y. I value becomes 5. Then I value S1 of 5 not equal to null. M is there. Then S3 of 5 equal to S1 of 5. What is S1 of 5? M. M will be copied here. Are you clear? Then I value is incremented by I value becomes 6. What is I value 6? S1 of 6 not equal. S1 of 6 E is there. It is not null character. S1 of 6. E will be placed here. Then I value is incremented by I value becomes 7. S1 of 7 not. S1 of 7 is what? Null character. It is matching to null character. The condition will be false. Then after the termination of the loop, I want S3 of I equal null, because after completion of the string we can able to include the null characters. Then here null will be placed for identifying the end of the string. Okay. Then print of s3 equal %s. Then what is s3? Program will be closed. What is the s3 is now? What is the string will be in s3? Then welcome. Okay, null character can't be placed on the output device. Okay, welcome will be displayed on the output device. This is a simple program to copy from one string to the another string without using the string copy function. Here I did not use string copy function in this example. Please note it down. Isn't it? This is the first program. The second program is program to join two strings into the third string. Okay, up to this one, here these two strings will be copied into these two strings will be joined. Welcome and our two string will be joined and placed into the third string. Isn't it? The third string, what is the output? Welcome world. Output two strings can be joined. Welcome world. The string will be placed in the S3. Then look at here, and I want to take j value also. Here up to this one same as usual. Everybody knows. Yeah. Then up to this one S3 string. Yeah, here I will write S3 string. What is there? WELCOME. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 7, I will become, whenever I will become 7. Okay. Then after this one, for j equal to 0, S2 of j not equal to null, semicolon, j plus plus. Then S3 of I plus j equal S2 of j. Yeah. Please look at here. Up to this point, the string 1, by using this code, we have copied S1 string into the S3. When I will become 7, null character as encounter, which terminates the loop, which comes out of the for loop. Next for loop is j equal to 0. Then I value is what? I value 7 plus I value is what previously? I value 7, j value 0. 7 plus 0. Then what is called? It is 7. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 7, S3 of I plus 7 plus 0, 7, S2 of j, S2 of 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then S2 of 0 is what? W. W will place it S3 of 7. In S3 of 7. Previously, I placed a null character in the index position 7 because I want to join another string. That's why I did not place any null character in the place of 7th index position. Then after this, I continue this for loop. Then j value is incremented by 1. Now j value becomes 1. then j value becomes 1, previous is 0. 7 plus 1, 8, it is 1. What is 1 is there? O. O will be placed where? S3 of 8. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. Then j value is incremented by j value becomes 2. Then here 7 plus 2 are 9. Then S2 of 2. What is S2 of 2? R is placed at the index position 2. Then R will be copied here. Then j value is incremented by 1. J value becomes 3. Then here 7 plus 3, 10. S2 of j. S2 of 3. What is S2 of 3? L will be placed in the place of 10. It is 10. Please look at here. L. Then after that, j value is incremented by 1. J value becomes 4. 7 plus 4, 11. Then S2 of 4 character will be placed in S3 of 11. What is S2 of 4? D. Okay. S2 of 4, D. Here W, O, R, L, D. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5, null character will be placed. Okay, all the memory will be allocated to the sequence of characters. Then D is placed here, 11th. Then j value is incremented by 1, j value becomes 5. S2 of 5. What is S2 of 5? Not equal to null character has encountered. Then it returns false. The condition becomes false when it comes out of the loop. What you have to do is, then the second string can be appended at the end of the first string, and also you can place the null character at the end of the string. Then what you have to do is S3 of I plus j equal null. What is the I value? 7. What is the j value? 5. 7 plus 5, what is value? 12. What is 12? Null character will be placed. Isn't it? Then after that, printf S3 equal percentage S, then S3. Then main function will be close. Here, if you display S3, what is the output will be displayed? Welcome world. Welcome world will be displayed on the output device. This is for the second program, and first program has completed. Hope it is clear. Here a string, I did not use any string copy function, string concatenation function. I solved these two problems. Okay, if you want any type of problem regarding the string without using string built-in functions, okay, you can post your query in the comment box window. I will solve your problem and get back to you. Isn't it? There are a number of problems can be solved without using string built-in function in case of string concept in C programming. Hope it is clear. Then if you have any doubt, just you post your query in the comment box window. Okay. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all for watching my videos. Thank you.